Viewers, in a major breakthrough, Punjab police have arrested a key accused in the murder of Digvijay Singh, also known as Rana Balachauria in Mohali, and the accused, identified as Harpinder alias Middu, a resident of Naushera Pannun in Tarantaran district, was apprehended by SAS Nagar police after an exchange of gunfire during a chase operation. Police said the accused sustained injuries in the encounter and has been shifted to the hospital. Two police personnel were also injured during the operation and are currently undergoing medical treatment. According to preliminary investigations, Harpinder alias Middu is involved in multiple heinous crimes and has a serious criminal background. Police said further investigation is underway to identify his associates and establish the wider conspiracy behind this murder. And what we know is that there was a brief exchange of gunfire between the police and the accused, and after they shot at him in the leg, the accused was taken into custody, but in the process, two policemen also suffered injuries. All of them were shifted to the nearest medical center for treatment, and Punjab police cornered the shooter in a gunfight, viewers. And what we understand is that the police is now further investigating to identify whether he was acting alone or whether he has any associates, and also whether there is a wider conspiracy behind this high-profile murder case. This is a high-profile murder case that was reported in Mohali, and now the accused has been arrested. He was apprehended by the SAS Nagar police after an exchange of gunfire during a chase operation, and the crackdown happened in Tarantaran district. Harpinder alias Middu, the accused, is a resident of Naushera Pannun in Tarantaran district. He was apprehended after a gunfire between the police and him, and this is a major breakthrough that the police have achieved as far as solving the murder of coward Digvijay Singh, also known as Rana Balachauria, is concerned in Mohali. Identified as Harpinder alias Middu. Viewers, these are the pictures that you see on your screens are from the encounter site, and the person that is also seen on the screen is the accused, who has been arrested after a gun battle between him and the police, who were chasing him, and then after shooting at him, they cornered him and they have arrested him. He is currently being treated for the gunshot wounds, and according to preliminary investigations, Harpinder alias Middu, the man you see on your screens, is involved in multiple crimes and has a criminal past as well. And the police say that they are investigating all angles to identify whether he had his own associates and whether there was a wider conspiracy behind the murder. What was the motive behind the murder? All of it will be investigated while questioning of the accused happens, and that will take place after the accused is discharged from the hospital because he is currently being treated for gunshot wounds. And along with the accused, two other cops were also hurt during the chase operation. But the major breakthrough came after his arrest because he is a key accused in Rana Balachauria's murder case. More and more details will unravel as the questioning gets underway between the police and the accused, because the police have a lot of questions for the accused. We have Mohit Malhotra also joining us on the phone line to give us more details. Mohit, ये एनकाउंटर कब हुआ और ये अक्यूज जो है इसका क्रिमिनल पास्ट भी है, ये पुलिस बोल रहे, आप बता सकते हैं इसका जो अरेस्ट कैसे हुआ? मोहित. Mohit, kindly hold your thoughts because we are not able to get your audio, but just to give you more information, viewers, just earlier today, there was a major operation that was rolled out by the Punjab police, by the Tarantaran police. In fact, Mohit is back with us. Mohit, if you can hear me, I was asking you about the accused. Who is this Middu and what is his criminal past and what are the angles that the police are investigating at the moment?
देखिए, जो ये पूरा का पूरा जो केस है वो ऑलमोस्ट अब पूरी उसकी पिक्चर जो है, पूरी जो एक कॉन्स्पिरेसी थी वो सामने आ चुकी है। कबड्डी को लेकर जो आपस में लड़ाई रहती है यहाँ पर गैंग्स की, गैंग्स चाहते हैं कबड्डी को ओवरटेक करना, कबड्डी के टूर्नामेंट्स में पैसा इन्वॉल्व है, पावर इन्वॉल्व है, तो उसी से जुड़ा ये मामला है। सबसे पहले मैं अभी आपको बता दूं कि मैं स्पॉट पर हूं और यहाँ आपको दिखाना चाहूंगा कि यहीं पर एनकाउंटर हुआ है। हरपिंदर एलियास मिड्डू इस गैंगस्टर का नाम है और ये बैकडोर से पूरी की पूरी प्लानिंग में शामिल था, पूरे लॉजिस्टिक प्रोवाइड करने में शामिल था। अभी देखिए, आपको पंजाब पुलिस के कुछ लोग अंदर दिखाई देंगे। यहाँ पर डू नॉट क्रॉस का एक यहाँ पर पूरी तरह से इसको सील किया गया है इलाके को, और ऊपर भी पंजाब पुलिस में आपको दिखाना चाहूंगा, यहीं पर एनकाउंटर हुआ है। अब से करीब 1 घंटे पहले 8 से 10 राउंड फायर हुए दोनों तरफ से और उसके बाद हरपिंदर एलियास जो मिड्डू है उसको गोली लगी और अब उसकी डेथ हो चुकी है, ये जानकारी हमारे पास है। और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि एक जो इस पूरे मामले में जो मास्टरमाइंड था, जो कि रशिया से आया था, जो वापस भागने की कोशिश कर रहा था, उसको भी पंजाब पुलिस ने दिल्ली इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट से अरेस्ट कर लिया है। अब वो 2 शूटर जिन्होंने फायरिंग की थी और इस कबड्डी टूर्नामेंट में मर्डर कर दिया था, राणा बलाचोरिया जो कि कबड्डी के बड़े खिलाड़ी हैं, पंजाब के प्रमोटर हैं कबड्डी टूर्नामेंट्स के, उनकी तलाश की जा रही है। और पंजाब पुलिस ये दावा कर रही है कि जल्द ही ये दोनों लोग भी, दोनों जो शूटर हैं वो भी पुलिस की गिरफ्त में होंगे। लेकिन जो पूरी कॉन्स्पिरेसी है, जो मेन मास्टरमाइंड था, वो पकड़ा जा चुका है दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट से। और जो ऑन ग्राउंड जिसने पूरी की पूरी ये साजिश में शामिल था, जिसने लॉजिस्टिक प्रोवाइड किए, हरपिंदर एलियास मिड्डू, उसको भी मार गिराया गया है पुलिस के एनकाउंटर में।